Welcome to Clever Mum. Welcome, busy mums. This video is all about you, a 20-minute journey into self-care through healthy eating. I know how easily life's responsibilities can take over, leaving you little time to care for yourself. So today we're focusing on simple, quick and healthy recipes that deliver maximum nourishment without maximum effort. After all, when you feel your best, you bring your best to everything you do. Let's dive in with 5 energizing recipes designed to fit seamlessly into your day and treat both your body and soul with love. 1. Superfood smoothie. Start your day right, 4 minutes. Our first recipe is a superfood smoothie, your perfect morning pick-me-up. Grab a handful of fresh spinach, a cup of frozen mixed berries, a milk base like almond or oat milk, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Blend these together, and in under a minute you've got a nutrient-packed drink, rich in antioxidants, protein and vitamins. The beauty? It's energizing yet easy on the stomach, perfect for mums always on the go. I like to call this my super fuel starter. Feel free to experiment by adding chia seeds or swapping spinach for kale. The key idea isn't complexity, it's nourishing yourself with something balanced and quick. Pro tip: make smoothie packs ahead of time by pre-measuring and freezing the ingredients in a baggie so you can blend and serve in under 60 seconds. 2. Quinoa salad, a midday powerhouse bowl, 5 minutes. Lunch doesn't have to mean skipping meals or grabbing the first thing in sight. This quinoa salad is perfect for a fresh, energizing midday refuel. Start with cooked quinoa as your base. It's high in protein and keeps you full longer. Add in the veggies you've got on hand. Think cucumbers, tomatoes or bell peppers. Sprinkle on diced feta cheese and drizzle over a lemon vinaigrette. A simple mix of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper works wonders. This vibrant, balanced dish gives you energy without a post-lunch crash. Relatable angle. Think of this meal as your me time in a bowl. It's not just food, it's a deliberate act of self-love during a busy day. Make ahead tip. Cook a big batch of quinoa at the start of the week, store it in the fridge and assemble this salad in just minutes when hunger strikes. 3. Chia seed pudding. Indulgence meets wellness. 5 minutes, prep ahead. Even busy mums need some indulgence, and chia seed pudding is where health and dessert wonderfully collide. For this recipe, mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of your preferred milk. Coconut milk gives it a creamy texture. Almond or oat milk keeps things lighter. Add a drizzle of honey or a splash of vanilla to sweeten it up. Cover and refrigerate overnight to let the seeds absorb the liquid, creating a delicious pudding-like texture. Top it off with fresh fruit like mango slices, berries or bananas. It's the perfect morning indulgence or mid-afternoon treat. Key learning. Chia seeds are little powerhouses, packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and protein, making this dish as nourishing as it is satisfying. Idea for practical use. Portion this into small jars or containers so you've got grab-and-go options waiting for you in the fridge. Every self-care journey deserves a creamy, comforting moment, and avocado and egg toast delivers on both taste and nutrition. Simply mash half an avocado onto a slice of toasted whole grain bread, sprinkle it with a pinch of salt and pepper, and top with a poached or fried egg. For an extra kick, add chili flakes or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Not only is this dish loaded with healthy fats, fiber and protein, but it's ready in under 5 minutes. It's mum's answer to a gourmet breakfast or lunch. Pro tip. Short on time, pre-boil a batch of eggs at the start of the week so you can slice one over your toast in seconds. Quick storytelling insight. Think of this dish as a luxurious retreat amidst hectic days. Some days, that creamy avocado feels like a mini vacation on toast. Being a mum doesn't mean sacrificing your sweet tooth. It's about snacking smarter. Meet your new best friend, dark chocolate energy bites. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips. Mix everything, roll into bite-sized balls, and refrigerate for an hour. These bites are not only satisfying and loaded with protein and healthy fats, but they're also easy to throw together in a pinch. Need a mid-afternoon energy boost or a guilt-free way to indulge your chocolate cravings? These are perfect. Pro tip: customize these bites with extras like shredded coconut, flax seeds, or chopped nuts for even more variety. It's minimal effort with maximum payoff. Takeaway: these bites are about small but fulfilling acts of treating yourself throughout the day. Each of these recipes isn't just about food. It's about turning an essential activity like eating into a small but significant act of self-care. From the bright burst of flavor in your quinoa salad to the indulgent comfort of chia pudding, these recipes are designed to remind you that you matter. Self-care doesn't have to mean intricate routines or hours of time. It starts with nourishing yourself and being mindful of your own needs amid the chaos. Tips for success: stock your pantry with these staple ingredients to make self-care moments easier. Chia seeds, oats, nut butter, whole grain bread, and fresh produce. Block out time, even 10 minutes each week, to prep items like smoothie packs or quinoa so you're never scrambling for options. Final reflection: as mums, it's easy to put everyone else's needs ahead of your own. But by prioritizing small, healthy moments like these recipes, you're not just feeding yourself, you're sending a message that your well-being is a priority. What's one recipe you can't wait to try? Let me know in the comments below, and remember, when you're happy and healthy, your whole family thrives. Thank you for joining me today, mums. Remember, these recipes are more than just meals. They are moments to prioritize yourself in the midst of a busy life. If you found even one recipe that inspires you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with another mum who could use a little self-care. And don't forget to subscribe to Clever Mum for more practical tips and uplifting ideas. Your journey to nourishment and balance starts with these small, simple steps, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next video, and until then, take care of yourself. You deserve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.